So hello everyone. So let me start the new concept of modulus function. So modulus is something like a machine. Let me assume this is the symbol of modulus. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, this is the symbol of modulus of x. Now the modulus of x will be always giving positive values whenever you are inputting any value, negative value or positive value. If I am inputting negative x, it will be giving x only, or if I am inputting positive x, it will be giving x only. It means that any value, let it be negative or positive, the modulus function will give me positive only. So that is the main intention of this modulus function. See, now for example, if I take modulus of minus 3, sorry, okay, modulus of minus 3, it will give me 3 only. Modulus of 3 also gives me 3 only. Then how can I explain it, or how can I define the modulus function? So I can define modulus function in such a way that modulus of x is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0. If x is greater than or equal to, not equal to, we will not take equal to here. If x is greater than 0, okay, if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, and minus of x if x is less than 0. If x is less than 0, for example, if x is minus 3, then I will multiply the same with minus to get 3. This is the system of a modulus of x. So here that will be followed in modulus of x. So this was the concept of your modulus of x. Now, what is the domain of the modulus of x? Domain refers to input values. And what is the range of the modulus of x? Range refers to output values. For example, let me take domain as D. Domain of modulus function, we can put any values from minus infinity to plus infinity. So domain of the modulus function refers to all real numbers, and range of the modulus function is, what will be the range? I am getting only positive numbers or positive values from the modulus function. So the range will be from 0, including 0 or excluding, we have to include 0 to infinity. So it is positive real numbers. So this is domain and range of modulus function. So this will be your domain and range of your modulus function. Yeah. So the next is graph of the modulus function. So to plot the graph of the modulus function, the one we need is the concept of this modulus itself. Okay, concept of modulus itself. Okay, see, this is x-axis, this will be your x-axis, and this is your y-axis. So whenever I am inputting, this is positive and this is negative, and this will be positive y-axis. Whenever I am putting positive values of x, I am getting positive values of y. So x is equals to y only, no. Whenever I will put positive values of x, I will be getting positive values of y only in modulus function. So it will be, the graph will move like this, okay, linearly. So next, whenever I am putting negative values of x, this part of x, okay, this part of x, whenever I am putting that part of x, then I will be getting what? Positive values of x only, means it is y. Okay, for example, minus, whenever I am taking your minus x, from modulus I am taking, means modulus of minus x is x only, which is equals to y. Again I am getting the same thing, but the input is minus x, but here the input was x, so it will be like this in the V shape, So for example, I am taking the value of 2. Some examples we will take and will relate to the graph. Okay, so for concept clearance, okay, for example, if I'm taking minus 2, 2, 3 and minus 3, I'm taking them through the machine called modulus. Okay, then I will be modulus of minus 2, modulus of 2, modulus of 3 and modulus of minus 3. Now minus 2 is this side, minus 2 is this side only, no, this side I am taking minus 2. So whenever I am taking minus 2, in the minus 2 is input, that is x, but negative, so it will come this side. So modulus of minus 2 is 2 only, this is y, so whenever I am putting minus 2 here, minus 2, I am getting 2 as y. Are you getting it? Next, if I am taking 2, it will be 2 only and it is y. I am taking here 2, it will be 2, it will be y. If I am taking 3, it will be 3 and this is only y. And if I am taking minus 3 is here somewhere, minus 3 I am getting 3, that is y, like this. So this will be a concept clearance of your modulus graph. Okay, yeah, this is modulus function. We will see some of the properties of modulus function which are very important in solving questions. So always modulus gives positive numbers. When I am taking root over x square, root over x square, is it modulus of x? Modulus of x only, no. For example, if you are taking root over minus 2 ka square, then it will be 4 only, because minus a square means which is equals to minus into minus, which will give me plus. That concept we are applying it here. So minus root over minus 2 ka square is 4 only, then it's 2, root over minus 2 ka square, this and this will cancel, but it is modulus only because square is there, so 2 itself. I will get 2 as the answer, modulus of minus 2, which is equals to 2. Let it be positive or negative, but the square was there here, we have cancelled it, means it is the property of modulus. Simply it is the property of modulus. So the first property of the modulus is your root over x square, which is equals to mod x. Root over x square, which is equals to mod x. Very important property and simple property. Next property is modulus of xy, which is equals to modulus of x and modulus of y. This is one of the property. Next property is division, same in division, modulus of x divided by y, which is equals to mod x by mod y. Next, one most important property of modulus we will be learning now, and that most important property of modulus is mod over x ka square, which is equals to x square, and which is equals to mod of minus x square. See here, mod of x square, x will give me always, mod of x will give me always positive, so it is x square itself. X square is also x square itself. Mod of minus x will also give me positive value of x only, no, so it is also x square. So these three are equal. This is the fourth property of modulus. So this will be a fourth property of your modulus. Very important and one of the useful property of modulus. Okay, so this was your modulus and this will be your graph. I'll draw it for notes, for the purpose of notes. X, Y, and it will be in V shape. Let us explore modulus function in upcoming classes. Thank you.